...2009 Chevy Colorado. Probably my absolute favorite car I've ever owned. It's a fantastic example of American engineering with one terrible, terrible design flaw. This will be the third tailgate latch that I've put on this truck. It is a pain in the ass, terrible design Chevy, but let's change the sucker out. And of course I've got a bed liner, so I'm gonna take all this stuff off first before we can even get to it. Now the next step will be taking this plate here off, which I think this one has regular screws. Your truck may be different because when a truck reaches this age, it tends to have a mismatch of screws and bolts. Particularly when you got to keep taking this son of a bitch off and change the latch. Terrible design, Chevy. Terrible design.
Yes. POS.
They're only like 17 bucks on Amazon. Like I said, this is the third one that I've put on this particular truck, and when I bought it, the latch didn't work. So alright, not the best tool, but it'll get the job done. These little parts here, oh shit, these little wires that come out of the tailgate right there, those are what actually operate the latch. Why the crap won't it fit back in there? How'd this one fit? This one got more crap on it. God bless America. Son of a gun. Fudge! Well, I just broke off a damn piece. Of course, I might be trying to put it on upside down. Fits a lot better when you put it in right side up. The key to any good job is making sure you got the right tools before you start, and keep your cool. Just go slow. Just because you've done something 3 times doesn't mean you can remember how to do it the 4th. Get these guys tightened back up. Alright, got those guys back in place. Now, you got to get these little fellas. Just pull it. Get out of here, ladybug. These little guys come over here. Goes in the little hole. In the groove in the hole. Like that. And it snaps on there. And this one I so rudely broke off. I think it'll snap right back in there. I think we're going to be alright with that. Yeah, perfect. Put that guy in there. Ha ha! Look at that. I just got to put everything back together, and we'll be as good as 25 years old. And there we go. With caution. All right. Don't use it unless you absolutely need it, because the son of a bitch is gonna break again. Well, and that was how to almost kind of sorta change your tailgate latch on the 2009 Chevy Colorado.